Imagine opening your movie tracker one day and finding years of your watch history completely gone. Every TV show you finished, every movie you watched, every episode you tracked, deleted forever. Well, that's exactly what's about to happen. TV Time is officially shutting down on July 15, 2026, and once the servers go offline, your account data won't be recoverable anymore. So if you've been using TV Time for months or even years, you have only a few days left to save everything. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download your complete TV Time backup and transfer it to another tracking app so you can continue right where you left off. Every link you will need is already in the video description, so let's save your watch history before it's too late. The first thing we need to do is to download a complete copy of your TV Time data. Thankfully, TV Time provides an official way to do this through their GDPR data export service. Open the first link in the video description. It will take you to the official TV Time GDPR self-service portal. Log in using your TV Time account. Once you are signed in, you will see an option to request a complete backup of your account. Simply click Create Backup. Now, don't worry if nothing happens immediately. Generating the backup usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how much data your account contains. Once it's finished, the download button will appear. Then click it and save the zip file somewhere you will remember. Perfect. That's your complete TV Time backup safely stored on your computer. Now comes the interesting part. Let's move everything to a new tracking app. For this tutorial, I will be using Trakt, one of the best alternative for TV Time. It's available in Android, iOS and Windows also as a web application. And I don't know how to pronounce Trakt. Let's go with Trakt, right? So just search Trakt on Google and open the official website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. After login for the first time, you will land on the home page, and here you will find an option called Import Your Data. You can simply find this tab in the settings also. So let's click it, and you will notice Trakt support importing data from several different services like IMDb, Letterboxd, and you can simply import it as a CSV file and the JSON file also. Definitely TV Time. You already downloaded the official backup. Simply drag and drop the zip file into the TV Time import section, then click Import Now. The website will begin transferring all of your data, all of your movie history, watch list and other supported data into your Trakt account. If Trakt can't identify a movie or detect duplicates, don't panic. It will simply show you a list asking what you would like to do, so you can choose the correct movie manually or skip it entirely if necessary. After a few moments, your movie collection should be imported successfully, but there's one important problem. Unfortunately, the official Trakt importers doesn't restore your watched TV episodes correctly. It will mainly import movies, so if you watched hundreds or even thousands of TV episodes, we need one extra step. So open the Google Drive link in the video description, download the file called TV Time to Trakt TUI Python file. And it's a small Python application that I built specifically for this migration. Create a new folder anywhere on your computer and place the downloaded Python file inside it. Next, open the zip backup you downloaded from the TV Time. Inside you will find several CSV files, and look for the CSV file named tracking prod records v2.csv file. So this file containing your entire TV episode watching history. Simply copy that CSV file and paste it into the same folder as the Python application. Now both files should be sitting together inside the same folder. Once that's done, double click the Python application. A simple interface will open. Then click the browse, select the tracking prod records v2.csv file and leave the output location as default. Then press convert. The application will automatically process your watch history and generate one or more JSON files ready for Trakt. Once the conversation finishes, you will find those JSON files inside the output folder. Now let's import those things. So go back to the Trakt import page. This time, instead of selecting TV Time, choose the JSON import option. Now simply drag and drop every JSON file created by the converter. Click Import Now button. Wait for the upload to finish. And that's it. Your watched TV episodes seasons, and history will now be restored inside your Trakt account. You can continue tracking your shows exactly where you left off. So no lost progress, no starting over. So that's it. Consider subscribing and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.